Alright, this is final documentation of the house as it stood after I removed most of our personal belongings out of the house and property on April 30th. We're going to go once around the house, we're going to go through the house in every room, and then we're going to look at the rest of the yard. It's the gate in front of the back door. Notice that largely the roof is in decent shape on this side. And we'll see if I can kind of give you a view of this. The foundation is sitting about a, I don't know, maybe 15-degree angle, something like that right here. Corner of the foundation is busted out. This is the awning that goes over my front door. This is our renter's car. Has busted out windows. Alright, the front of the house. This is where you start to see the damage. Got the roof vent blown out. That should be right there, but it's not. We've got no front window there. Notice that the front porch actually has a large crack in it. More foundation damage. If you come over, you can see that the foundation has stayed where it is on this side, but that the house has moved. House has moved a little over 5 inches. And about 1.5 inches forward. Here you can see where the foundation starts to lean on this side. See the large gaping hole in the side of the house. Missing a lot of the basic parts of the side of the roof. Windows blown out. Various and sundry portions of my roofing are gone. Most of the decking is in place. Windows are blown out. I didn't notice this until today. It's a large dent in the intake cover for my air conditioner. The reason is because my air conditioner slid forward about 3.5 inches and shifted towards the street around 3 inches as well. I've looked around. I still can't find the door that goes over the compressor. More foundation damage. Kitchen window all blown out. Notice the holes created by very fast moving objects. The house was just inundated with debris. Lots of siding missing back here. Just noticed that that window has a hole in it. I thought it was intact. Got my roof vent still messed up over here. Chunks taken out of the side of the house. Window broken here too. I thought this one was intact. You see all the siding is gone. This is where termite damage was repaired by the previous owner. You can see that that's all visible and exposed. More siding missing. Everything's okay over here. This was kind of a little protected area, I guess. This is where we started, so this is where we'll stop this video.